What happens when you taste it? Ooh, is that sour? Stanley, how old are you?
3.
Are you 3 years old?
Yeah.
Yeah? What do you like to do?
I'm not 3 years one, just 3.
Oh yeah. And what do you like to do?
Play.
Play? What do you like to play?
Painting. I'm painting. Yes, I'm painting.
Like painting? Do you like dancing?
Yeah.
Show me how you dance.
Yeah.
Oh, no. I didn't see that. Let's have some rock music.
Yeah.
You gonna dance?
Dad, put the dark off. Put the dark on, Dad.
You turn the dark off?
Yeah,
The
on.
dark is off.
On.
Turn the dark on.
Yeah.
That's so you can see your flashing.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, it's dark. Oh, what's that? Hold it up in your face.
It's a lie.
Oh.
Dad, put the light on.
Okay.
From 9 p.m, it's Gideon Coe and the best of the BBC archive.
And now, me. Thanks, Steve. Hello, I'm him off the radio. This is the radio, and that is a Twilight Sad live in session with Made to Disappear.
Stanley? It's any ghosts? Any ghosts?
The Family, the new series
Bobby?
coming soon on 4.
Hello.
You're too dark. You're too dark.
And what on earth do you want from me? On this fine morning when gentle.
It's a fine morning, one gentleman.
Oh yes, are you telling me that you don't know what you would like? Then, bog on. My pumpkin.
Hey, what?
My pumpkin.
What are you gonna do with your pumpkin?
I'm gonna get it to do this. You see, like that. Don't do it.
Stanley?
I'm gonna get my pumpkin.
Alright. What you got?
My pumpkin.
Is it a pumpkin? Stanley?
Yeah.
It's not your pumpkin, is it? No, no, no.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
found it. I found it.
Yeah. Okay, got your pumpkin now.
I'm holding it.
Okay, got your picture. Stanley, this is the movie camera. You can't stay still, you gotta move around. Stanley, Stanley, Stanley. You dancing? What are you dancing to?
What?
What are you dancing to?
I'm not dancing.
How are you doing it?
It's dancing of the movie. Of the movie.
Oh, I see. You're moving around. Oh, that's good. Come on, move. Move. Oh, you bet you're dizzy now, aren't you? Tell you what, Stanley, why don't you sing me the fireworks song? It's nearly fireworks night.
What?
Can you sing the fireworks song?
It's going to be fireworks now.
Yeah, soon.
Soon.
Yeah.
Soon when we go to bed.
Wow.
Soon.
Yeah. What about, how does the fireworks song go that you learnt at school?
What?
Fireworks song from school.
Okay. Bonfire night is... okay. Bonfire night. The 5 o'clock. Put my...
Yeah?
in fireworks shop.
Bought a banger on it.
I bought a banger and it cost 10 pence. Put my banger on the garden fence and the bang went bang. A bonfire light at 5 o'clock. I put my dad in fireworks shop. I bought a rocket. It cost 10 pence. I put my rocket on the garden fence and the bang went bang. A bonfire light to 5 o'clock. Put my dad in fireworks shop. I bought a shaker. It cost 10 pence. Put my shaker on garden fence and the shaker and the bang went bang and the one went.
Good, Stanley. You like that a lot.
Yeah. Bonfire night.
Yeah.
That's my favourite one. Bonfire night.
Yeah. It's going to be good fun. It's not a dance.
Let's do like a statue dance.
Oh no, do some moving. Throw some.
I want a statue.
What dance first?
No.
As you can see, the very rare type of dancing dad skeletons. Yes, completely new species. Doing some very strange dancing. When I say strange, I mean strange. For example, look at those legs. Hello guys, I'm wondering if this will work, but this is a vlog with a very bad camera. And yeah, because I saw Oliver's videos and he was vlogging. I decided to make this.
What are you doing?
I realised how to start it. Hello guys. Goodbye.
What are you keeping over? That's backwards.
Yeah, I know. Hello, hi, it's me, Stan Leo, and I'm making my first like kind of proper vlog, kind of, and yeah, I'm using a really old camera, but it works really well. It's like better than my camera that I usually use. Oh my god, yesterday I got impaled. there. Oh my god, it hurts so much. I got impaled by one of those things. It hurts so much. Oh wait, hang on. Something's wrong. Aloha, it's me Stanley and I'm making a vlog. So yeah, I saw Oliver making vlogs and I wanted to because I used to a lot, and yeah. Just gonna show you a little tour of my house. So starting from Mum and Dad's room. It's a really nice room. Nice guitar. And my tablet. I don't think you saw it, hang on. There we go. Right then. Yeah, I'm looking at the glass thing. What? So, can't really see where I'm going. Okay, next is the bathroom. You don't need to go in the room over there. It's been painted. There's the shower, sink, toilet. It's quite white. Now, my Lego Pokemon set. Oh, I'll show you the secret on how I get this hat on him. Ignore that. Have my lunch later. So I get a stud and I put it inside the hat, and I hope that you know how to put a stud on. You just put it onto the arm. Looks like he's holding it. That's the secret, guys. The secret is revealed. Okay then. Okay then, next we're going downstairs into the living room. Hi Dad, wait, where's Dad gone? Yeah, this is the dining room here. We don't have anything in the dining room. Like, we don't eat in the dining room, we eat in the kitchen or the back garden. Grand Prix on Formula 1. Yeah! I wasn't watching that though. Hi guys!
Hey, Debbie.
I'm recording a house tour. Here's the kitchen. So yeah. Oh gosh, here's the garden. Yeah, I know. Here's the garden. Here's my scooter. 3-year-old scooter. Bubble machine thing. Some chairs. And have some lunch. So yeah. Let's go back inside.
When you be putting live option on YouTube?
I couldn't see it. So, alrighty guys. I think that shall be the end. See you in a bit. Bye!
Mom, this doesn't get off, it only moves.
Hello, his name's Stanley. Goodbye.
We're sure about it. No. Bring us foggy pudding. Bring foggy pudding. And a Dundee to wee. And Bogey, Bogey, Bambi. Unga, unga, unga. Doggy, Bogey.
Okay.
You having fun? You having fun, Stanley? Are you having fun? Are you having fun, Stanley?
Stanley, come over to this side, it's easier. Come over to this side. Pop Stanley man out.
I'm gonna wait for Rosie.
Okay.
I'll stand. Hey, wait a minute.
Yeah.
Wait, I've got to wait for my friend. Okay.
Come on, Pop. You can see he doesn't get go.
That said yes. That said yes. Okay. Hold on. No. Nino. This is what we did today. Go, pull, Make a snow angel. Make a snow angel, Stanley. Lying on the floor. So Stanley, lie on the floor again. Lie on the floor. Why?
No.
Why did you go on the head? I'll pull. Can you go on with Stanley? I'm not on his team.
Up. Hold on, Stan.
I love the beast.
Good. Great.
Well, Norman,
Okay. Yeah. Hold on. Hold on, Stanley. Oh.
You like it?
Okay, mate.
Hi. No.
Hi, Pops. What's going on with yours, Rocket?
It's fine. You've got to keep your bum off the bottom.
Sorry, Rocket.
You haven't got your bum dragging along the floor, have you, Rocket? Maybe that bag is holding you down. Maybe swap for one. I reckon that's a fast one. Hey, yeah. Stones. Go on, Dad. Go on, Pop. The rose this You okay?
That was fun.
Nice ball.
Oh no, here comes Rosie.
I can't get up! Ow!
Why now? Yeah, I love it.
At this party, they blew all the candles out and then it came back on. It was so funny. The joke candles, they come back on.
Who is it? Oh look! It's Magic Mum and Sonya! You're on TV! Hello TV! Oh, and I'm zooming in too much. And it's Super Sonya!
I've been told I look like Cheryl Cole by my students. Oh, Miss, you look like Cheryl Cole, innit?
Cool! It's Magnificent Mia!
She was Cheryl Cole because she turned her back when she was going to pick me up, and then my mum was like, "Oh my gosh, it's Cheryl Cole!" And then she was like, "Oh, it's just me as mum."
Look, it's Magnificent Mia!
Exactly. I don't know where Sean and Maddie are. They were back about 2 hours ago.
Now, where's Super Stan?
There's a football match, Wembley's traffic very much. Come on.
Oh.
But drink from this is
Hey, Stanley!
I don't want to lose this. I don't want to lose this. No, don't lose. Tim, you sit here. Let me go and top the cake together.
Elliot! Follow me!
I want black currant.
No. Okay, darling. Let me take a picture of your tattoo, please. Oh, darling, please. Oh, you're so crying.
Hello, Stanley. Stanley, what's today?
My party.
Is it? And how old are you?
4.
Oh, are you 4 years old?
Yeah.
You having a nice time?
Yeah.
And the prostitutes, they're about to
Any pressure. Can't be messing about my camera.
Right. Dylan, everyone, move right along. Dylan, Teo, stand in front of Daniel. Daniel, move up a bit, darling. Teo, right along. Everybody move around.
Okay.
Move around. No, you come and get it.
Slowly.
Right, Stanley.
Slowly.
Stanley, you won't be able to blow with biscuit in your mouth.
One song for all of them.
Oh, are we?
I don't know.
Stanley, Taylor, and Dylan. We'll just sing loudly. Not yet. Stand back, everybody. Stand back. Oh my God. Stanley, stand back.
Stanley. Dylan. Oh, Dylan. Buzz. Oh, Buzz.
Just try and squeeze in as well.
But we thought we weren't going to be able to get them in.
Hang on. I think you've got 3 there.
Because I'm late with this.
Okay.
Right, boys.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Stanley Taylor. Happy birthday to you.
Well done, boy.
A long time ago in a faraway country, there lived a girl called Mary. She was to be married to a man called Joseph. One day, an angel visited Mary and told her that she was to have a very special baby born. He was to be called Jesus and would be the Son of God. Now at this time, the ruler of the land ordered everyone to go to their hometown to be counted. This meant that Joseph and Mary had to travel to the town of Bethlehem. inn and boarding house was full. There were no empty rooms for Joseph and Mary. They knocked upon every door, hoping that at last someone would have a spare room.
Have you any room at the
Joseph was just about to give up in despair when a friendly innkeeper said, as if they did not mind sharing with his animals, they could rest for the night in his stable. Joseph gladly accepted, as Mary was very tired. That night, baby Jesus was born in his stable. Mary laid the new baby in the manger full of hay. She had no other bed for him. Joseph kept watch over his family. Mary rested. The baby slept peacefully. On a hillside outside Bethlehem, there were some shepherds looking after their sheep. The night was dark and still. All of a sudden, something very strange happened. The night sky lit up with hundreds of angels singing and praising God. This was a wondrous sight.
So
frankincense and myrrh to the baby king. They laid their gifts before the manger, and Mary thanked them for their kindness.